A man of a bad character may have a fair reputation, but a man of a good character will always have a good reputation. Character shows real nature of a person, but reputation is based on public opinion. Hello, my name is Vinod. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Judicial Services Exam. In this video, we will talk about relevancy of character under Indian Evidence Act, section 52 to section 55. Let's start the presentation. Let's start relevancy of character, section 52 to 55. इस चैप्टर में कुल धाराएं 5 हैं. Definition of character, which is given under explanation of section 55, जो कि है character includes both reputation and disposition. Reputation और disposition दोनों ही character में included हैं. Section 52. In civil cases, character to prove conduct imputed irrelevant. In civil cases, character of a person is irrelevant. Civil cases में character irrelevant है. Section 55. Character as affecting damages, that is compensation. In civil cases, when character of a person is such as to affect the amount of damages which he ought to receive is relevant. Section 12. In suits for damages, facts tending to enable the court to determine amount are relevant. In suit in which damages are claimed, any fact which will enable the court to determine the amount of damages which ought to be awarded is relevant. Section 12 को section 55 के साथ पढ़ना होता है. Now come to criminal cases. Relevancy of character in criminal cases. Section 53. In criminal cases, previous good character relevant. Previous good character of accused is relevant in criminal cases. Criminal cases में previous good character relevant माना जाता है. Thus, every accused is at liberty to give evidence of the fact that he is a man of good character. तो हर accused को ये right है कि वो अपना good character का evidence दे सकता है. Section 54. Previous bad character not relevant except in reply. Previous bad character of accused is irrelevant in criminal cases unless evidence has been given that he has a good character. Prosecution can produce evidence of bad character only in reply to the accused showing his good character. तो जब accused good character का evidence show करता है तभी prosecution उसकी बात को काटने के लिए उसका bad character का evidence show कर सकता है. Otherwise, as a general principle, evidence of bad character is not relevant. Exception of section 54 are: bad character of an accused is relevant only when explanation first. Bad character of accused is itself a fact in issue. For example, in cruelty case, where cruel character of an accused is a fact in issue, evidence may be given to prove his cruel nature. यदि कोई व्यक्ति क्रूअल है और क्रूअलिटी का केस है तो उसके क्रूअल नेचर पर एविडेंस दिया जा सकता है क्योंकि क्रूअल नेचर फैक्ट इन इशू है और यही बात सेक्शन 5 में दे रखी है कि एविडेंस कैन बी गिवन ऑन फैक्ट इन इशू. Explanation 2. Previous conviction is relevant as evidence of bad character. Bad character neither proves intention of an accused nor it proves the commission of an offense. That is why bad character is irrelevant. Also, the court has to decide the case on the basis of the facts, not on the basis of character. इसलिए भी bad character irrelevant हो जाता है, लेकिन previous conviction में relevant हो जाता है. अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. सेक्शन 55 इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट स्टेट्स दैट द कैरेक्टर ऑफ एनी पर्सन is relevant when it affects the amount of damages which he ought to receive. B. It applies only to civil cases. C. It is a corollary of section 12. D. All of them. तो इसका आंसर होगा D. All of them. दूसरा सवाल ले लेते हैं. Under which of the following section of Indian Evidence Act evidence of bad character is not relevant? First, section 45, second, section 47, third, section 50, fourth, section 54. तो इसमें सेक्शन 45, 47, 50 हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि चैप्टर 52 से शुरू हो रहा है, तो सेक्शन 54 इसका आंसर हो जाएगा. Which of the following section of the Indian Evidence Act deals in criminal cases where previous good character is relevant? अभी हमने पढ़ा है, तो सेक्शन 53, सेक्शन 52, सेक्शन 51 या सेक्शन 48. इसका सेक्शन 53 होगा. Meaning of the character and reputation as defined in section 55 amongst the following statements, which is the most correct answer? Evidence may be led regarding only general reputation and general disposition and not particular acts by which reputation or disposition were shown. To prove bad character, evidence may be led regarding conviction. For proving bad or good character, evidence regarding reputation and disposition is true or false. First, ABC are correct. Second, ABC are wrong. Third, only A and B are correct. Four, only B and C are correct. तो इसका आंसर होगा only A and B are correct. So this was all about relevancy of character under Indian Evidence Act. If you like the video, please subscribe, share. Thank you.